Being a woman in the automotive industry means that I get to challenge myself every day.
It brings me a lot of happiness. It makes me feel like I can take care of myself, not only myself, but other women in the automotive field.
I get to prove to people things that I never thought I could do, things that they're like, oh, ladies can't do that, and I get to empower other women by doing it.
Maybe it's not meant to be our field, but we're able to work in the shop.
And showing them, hey, you can do anything you put your mind to.
I've been a porter, someone who parks cars. I've worked in the express, working on cars every day, and I'm now a service advisor.
It's been so much fun learning and testing my own strengths and abilities. I've done stuff I never thought I could do before, and when I put my mind to it here, especially with all the support, it's amazing. I could ask for a better job.